This is how you can get an insane battery life from your Galaxy Watch Ultra without compromising most of the smartwatch features. First of all, every Galaxy Watch Ultra comes with LTE feature that is set to auto by default. So if you're not using cellular on your Galaxy Watch, make sure to turn it off. For that, go to Settings, choose Connections. Now scroll down and tap on Mobile Networks and choose Always Off. Galaxy Watch Ultra has an amazing option that helps you to work out for a long period of time without using a lot of battery, and that's Exercise Power Saving Mode. To turn it on, go to Exercises. Now scroll down and you will see this option that says Exercise Power Saving Mode. Just turn it on before doing any long workout, but make sure to read out this info that says what will be limited when this option is turned on. Next, if you're using Google Assistant on your Galaxy Watch, make sure Voice Wake Up is turned off, because when Voice Wake Up is turned on, Watch will continuously look for your voice in the background, and that decreases battery life a lot. To turn it off, go to Settings, scroll down, and now choose Google. Tap on Assistant and make sure this press and hold option is selected. You can simply long press this side key to use Google Assistant. To remap this key, you have to go back in Settings. Now tap on Buttons and Gestures. Under Home button, you will see Press and Hold. Make sure Google Assistant is selected here, so that's it. Next, I have few settings for display, as display uses a lot of power on a smartwatch. That's why keep brightness of your smartwatch below 50% and make sure adaptive brightness is turned on so you can use your smartwatch out in the daylight. After that, if you're not using always on display mode, then turn off this option too. You can use AOD mode whenever you want just by swiping down on your watch and tapping here. That's better instead of keeping this option to always on, and keep screen timeout to 15 seconds. In the end, don't install any third-party apps for watch faces like Facer or Watchmaker, as they are not optimized like faces available on Google Play Store. Also, since it's an AMOLED display, use a dark watch face, because in this case most of the pixels are turned off, while a brighter or white watch face will consume a bit more battery. Then I have few settings for Samsung Health. So go to Samsung Health, scroll all the way down and tap on Settings. Heart rate is set to measure continuously. Keep that setting, while change stress to manual only. That's because stress measurement on Galaxy Watch isn't that accurate. After that, in sleep, turn off snore detection, as it uses mic of your Galaxy Watch to detect snore sounds, and that uses a lot of battery. After that, go back and also turn off inactive alerts, because this thing vibrates Galaxy Watch every hour if you're not active, and often this isn't accurate, so I always keep it off. Next, make sure your watch has not a lot of apps running in the background. The easiest way to close all the apps is by swiping up and tapping right here. Now select Close All Apps, but you can also remap the side key to close all the apps just by double pressing this key. For this, go to Settings. Now scroll down and choose Buttons and Gestures. Under Home button, you will see double press. Just tap it and choose Recent Apps. Now you can double press this side key to open Recent Apps and long press it to use Google Assistant, and that's a handy feature. After that, go back and change few connectivity settings. First, make sure Wi-Fi on your watch is turned off. This really makes a big difference. Internet services on your Galaxy Watch, like downloading apps and Google Assistant, will still work using Bluetooth of your phone. Next, if you don't use NFC for payments, make sure this option is also turned off. If you have enabled notifications on your Galaxy Watch, then your watch will vibrate every time there is a new notification on your phone. So make sure to select only the most important notifications on your Galaxy Watch. For that, go to Settings, choose Notifications, and select those apps one by one. Or you can also filter out your favorite apps by tapping Manage on phone. If you use your Galaxy Watch for sleep tracking, then make sure bedtime mode is turned on. This will avoid accidental screen wake up, and also your watch display won't turn on with your wrist movements when you are taking a nap. For this, simply swipe down and long press on this first option. Choose sleep. Now you can either manually turn on this option every day, or you can schedule it by checking out the More's option on your phone. In the end, if you're not happy with battery life on your Galaxy Watch, you can turn on the power saving mode that will limit CPU usage, background network usage, and a lot more. So these were some settings that you can try out to maximize battery life on your Galaxy Watch Ultra. Which settings you are using already? Let me know about them in the comment section. Also don't forget to subscribe as I'll be soon dropping best watch faces for Galaxy Watch Ultra. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.